Hello, my name is Catherine Simone Stanko. I'd like to welcome you to my studio today where I will be showing you my studio produced line of handcrafted, hand-woven jewelry. I have been a full-time artist since 2008. My work is carried in museum shops, art galleries, botanical gardens around the U.S. This is a second part of a two-part video. In the first video I showed my larger works, but this video will concentrate on my studio produced line of MetaLace jewelry. I named my jewelry MetaLace because I see it as a metamorphosis of metal and lace. Lace making has been an interest of mine, and that along with through my teacher studies and travels, the woven basketry of the women's co-ops in Africa, such as in Kenya and Zimbabwe, really inspired me, as well as the beautiful pearls and jades and stones of East Asia. So first, my work is based on nature and the four seasons, winter, spring, summer, and fall. So I'd like to start out with this collection here. On top is, this is fine silver with freshwater pearls. And the necklaces are approximately 16 to 18 inches with extender. You can see here a round pin pendant, small circle earrings with a white pearl, a small leaf earring with a white pearl cluster, and a single circle pendant with a white pearl on an 18-inch sterling chain. Below, for spring, or really any time, is amethyst and pink quartz and pearls. The necklace, 16 to 18 inch with extender. The pin pendant, the large circle there with the cluster of stones arranged almost in like a pave format. The small circle earrings with the amethyst and the pendant. And these can be mixed or matched with anything else in the collection, as you'll see as we go on. So next for summer, we have apatite, angelite, the blues and greens, the aquamarines, the chalcedonies, the aquamarines, and again the pin pendant, the small circle earrings, which are always very popular, and the single pendant, which makes a nice collection. And then down below we have carnelian, lots of carnelian in different shades with citrine, yellow jade, the small earrings, the pendant. And just here on the side is just a plain 14 karat gold filled necklace, 16 to 8 inches. These are very popular, could be worn for every day or for dress up, again part of my standard line. And here are earrings. We've got, again, based on nature, the leaves. We've got 2 leaves, 3 leaves, 1 leaf, single, doubles, triples of the drop dangle earrings. We've got down here the large circles. We've got small circles. We've got large pairs, small pairs, large leaves. They're the small pairs. And the pendants, the small circle pendant, the small leaf pendant, small gold pendant with the white pearl on the 18-inch, 16 or 18-inch, according to your preference or the preference of your clients. Here are the bangles, 1-inch, 2-inch, and 3-inch diameter, 14 karat gold filled bangle bracelets, just very easy to slip on, very, I say, user friendly. They're very light. Here are some large gold-filled leaf earrings with a white pearl cluster. The small circle with a single white pearl, very popular in here, with some seed pearls. And all of these pieces come in sterling, fine silver, gold-filled, rose gold-filled. Okay, and here are some very popular bangle bracelets. The 1-inch plain in fine silver, also with white pearls. The 1-inch gold-filled bangle, also with white pearls. The 2-inch bangle, which was my flagship item back in 2007. And here are some pieces with more embellishment. A 1-inch and a 2-inch fine silver bangle with white pearls, and a necklace with the flower and the pearls. Here's a special piece, really a one of a kind, with sterling rings. Down below here I've got the keyhole pendants, very versatile. Can be worn on a long cord or short up toward the neck. Very attractive. These are the stick pearls on some pendants. And over here in sterling, we've got the sterling collar necklace, 16 to 18 inch with extender. And that comes with a little MetaLace quality tag on it. Some heart earrings, small pendants, the small circle, the small leaf earring, the small round earrings, very popular, very strong sellers. Classic for everyday or dress up, and go with so many things. The little small circle silver earrings with the white pearls, the large leaf with white pearls, and the small pairs embellished with multi-size pearls. And then over here, and again, these pieces mix well with anything in the collection. From the top, the 1-leaf, 2-leaf, 3-leaf dangle earrings. Up at the top right, the large leaf earrings. Below the long leaf, then the rectangle dangles below. Small pairs, large pairs, and to the left, bottom left, small circles and large circles. The large circles are about a 1.5 to 1 3/4 diameter, and the small circles about 7/8, 3/4 inch in diameter. And this collection here is mixed metals. It's fine and sterling silver with a 14 karat gold fill. In the center is a 30-inch necklace with the alternating gold filled and fine silver discs. And this necklace could be worn just with several options. Right in the middle there, the double circle earrings of the with the large silver and the small gold on top of it, and up from the top the gold and silver leaves, and then the cascading leaves. And also in this collection, to the right, the far right, is the double circle graduated pendants of fine silver and gold filled on an 18-inch sterling chain, and on the far left the graduated leaves, again on the 18-inch sterling chain, and below the small plain round earrings. And I wanted to show you, here is my desk where I work, my workbench, some of the tools that I use, and many of my contemporaries use paintbrushes. I use knitting needles because I am using traditional fiber arts techniques to create these non-traditional works of wearable art. And you can see I have my spools of my precious metal wire that I use. And my wire is all from recycled metals, not mined, which is nice. And again, some of my tools. So this is where I'm working, and right here in my studio, and that is where all of my jewelry is created. And again, I'm just going to do a quick look here. Again, my name is Catherine Simone Stanko, and if you are a gallery interested in my work or a collector, please contact me at ksstanko@gmail.com, and I look forward to talking with you. Thank you so much for joining me today in the MetaLace Studio, and have a great day.